Hello everyone. In today's video, let's see what software testing is all about. Software testing is an investigation conducted to provide stakeholders with information about the quality of the software, product or service under test. Software testing can also provide an objective, independent view of the software to help the business to appreciate and understand the risk of software implementation. There are a lot of software testing tools in software testing which are used to test the software product and the software quality. One such testing tool in software testing is Sahi Pro. Sahi Pro is the testing tool which is very easily maintainable and it can be used easily. Now let's see what Sahi Pro is all about. Sahi Pro is a test automation software for desktop applications, mobile applications and web applications. Sahi was conceived as an open source product in 2005 with specific focus on test automation management tools for web technologies, but as a test automation tool geared towards testers. The open source version includes a basic tool set sufficient for most testing purposes like record on all browsers, playback on all browsers, HTML playback reports, etc. Whereas the Pro version includes further features such as test distribution and report customization. Sahi Pro helps automate functional testing of web applications. By default supports web application and REST API automation. Sahi Pro is well suited for cross-browser or multi-browser testing for complex web applications with lots of Ajax and dynamic content. Sahi Pro runs on any modern web browser which supports JavaScript. Now let's see what source page and scripts are used in Sahi Pro. Sahi Pro, as told before, is an open source written in Java and JavaScript. It is hosted on SourceForge source page since October 2005. It is released under an Apache license 2.0 open source license. Sahi Pro is currently in version 9.0.0 and is hosted on the Sahi Pro website. Sahi Pro injects JavaScript event handlers into web pages, which allows it to record and playback events on the browser. Using a proxy makes Sahi Pro independent of the browser used. Now getting into some technical details of Sahi Pro. Sahi Pro runs as a proxy server and the browser's proxy settings are configured to point to Sahi's proxy. Then it ejects JavaScript handlers which has been told before. Let's see what all can be tested using Sahi Pro. To install Sahi Pro on any device, prerequisites required are Java 1.8 or above. Now, Sahi Pro tests any Windows desktop applications like Java, WPF, Win32, WinForms, and etc. It can test any OS in Android, native and hybrid applications. Sahi Pro can be used on any operating systems like Linux, Mac, Windows, etc. Moving on to the features of APIs, Sahi's APIs can broadly be classified into three categories. The first category is named as Browser Accessor APIs. Browser Accessor APIs helps access elements on the browser. Sahi then injects these APIs into the browser via the proxy. The second one is the Browser Action API. Browser Action API perform actions on the browser like clicking, typing keys and asserting the state of elements on the browser. The last and the third one is the Miscellaneous APIs. Miscellaneous APIs help in handling exceptions, manipulating files and database etc. Now coming to the features of APIs. APIs to work with database, Excel or CSV files for data-driven testing. They can directly invoke Java code from scripts. This is used to access database, read PDF files, connect to another machine via SSH, etc. Easily scriptable via JavaScript or Java. Simple yet powerful and robust object identification of APIs are: for web applications, Sahi does not use XPath or CSS selectors. It has its own wrappers around the JavaScript DOM which are simple to use and easy to maintain. Sahi works even when elements do not have IDs. Sahi uses relational APIs like in, near, underscore under, underscore left of, underscore right of, etc. to uniquely identify elements. No looping logic required to find elements in table-like structures, trees, nodes, etc. Sahi automatically transverses across frames, iframes, and shadow domes. It supports browser pop-ups and model dialogs. It also supports HTML5 custom tags too. It uses similar technologies for mobile and desktop automation. The next feature which comes into play is the automatic waits. Now let's see what automatic waits is all about in Sahi Pro 2. Sahi Pro technology eliminates the need to wait for statements even for inconsistent page loads. The tests are stable and do not fail because of timing issues. There is no need for adding wait statements in almost all the cases, which reduces the code base size compared to other tools and makes the script more robust. Though it is robust, it is easily maintainable. Sahi automatically transverses across frames, iframes, and shadow domes. Sahi automatically waits for the page load and AJAX activities. Further on failure, it automatically retries the step a few minutes.
And the next feature of the Sahi Pro is inbuilt framework. Inbuilt framework, it helps to create a clean abstraction between business logic, functional flows, and object storage, and spreadsheets like interface to create business scenarios. And in this, all functional flows are in a library files. Elements are stored separately in Accessor repository files, and all automation files are text files and are version controllable. The next feature of Sahi Pro is inbuilt framework. Inbuilt framework helps to create a clean abstraction between the business logic, functional flows, and object storage. And spreadsheets like interface to create a business scenarios. And all functional flows are in library files like Sahi scripts, Java code, etc. And elements are stored separately in Accessor repository files. In this, excellent recorder and objects file makes script creation easy. Like a recorder works on Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, Safari, Opera, and other modern browsers. In mobile phones like iOS and Android, and desktop applications like Windows, Java, etc. Object spy and recorder. It's a part of inbuilt. And Sahi Pro identifies elements across technologies in simple yet and stable way. And Sahi Pro works even for the application with the dynamic IDs. And it's a drill down from historical students to suit the script and scenarios to exact line of code. And the errors are stored automatically in a screenshot form. And the reports are available in a multiple formats like HTML, XML, Junet, Excel, etc. And all the reports are stored in a central database for historical analysis. And the network activity during playback of web application is available. And it shows the JavaScript code coverage of your web application during playback. Batch playback via data-driven suites. And these suites allow playback of thousands of scripts in a batch, and it's even invoke other suites, and the data can be passed to any suite or script. There is no restriction in this. Scripts and suites can be tagged and can be selectively run at a time. Editor is a feature of the Sahi Pro. Powerful editor. The web-based editor helps create and organize your scripts, scenarios, and suites with easy. Intelligent auto suggestions and refactory abilities make it easy to modify and maintain scripts. And it also contains a REST editor for working with a REST or web services. And coming to the parallel and distribution playback, a Sahi Pro can play back multiple web automation scripts in a parallel, and thus reducing playback time drastically. And Sahi doesn't need any browser to be focused. Sahi can also distribute scripts in a suite across multiple missions, like a multiple mission playback. and reduce playback time even further. Parallel and distributed playback are also available for mobile, desktop and SAP GUI application. And it also contains auto retry, means a suite of failed scripts can be automatically created and re-executed before failing builds. Integration made easy, means integrate easily with a continuous integration system like Jenkins. Sahi can be configured to execute scripts on Jenkins machines itself or on multiple machines in a master or slave configuration. Sahi Pro need not be installed on Jenkins machine. The Sahi Pro masters can be on a different machines and suits can be triggered from Jenkins. Our results and reports will be sent to the Jenkins machine. Sahi's execution reports can be synced to the central database where you can perform historical analysis of reports. And all the email notification of execution status is possible at the end of execution or periodically during execution. And the editor automatically creates the necessary ANT target for configuring the above options. These ANT target can be triggered from Jenkins. So far we have discussed the main features of Sahi Pro, and here we have a few supported features of technologies. And the common features are available in all editions like Sahi Pro Mobile, Sahi Pro Web, Sahi Pro Desktop and Sahi Pro SAP. Even the dashboard, editor, recorder, framework and Sahi APIs in JavaScript and Sahi API in Java. These are the supported features and technologies of Sahi Pro. And this is the thing about software tool Sahi Pro. Thank you.